by some three lengths, followed by Devil Rising. Speed to reaches down on the inside and on the outside. Fourth, Mike, some lady. Summer Rain still running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile foe, Sir Frederick by some three lengths. Devil Rising is running in second and racing in third. Speed to reaches Mike, some lady. Summer Rain down on the inside. Fifth, rounding the far turn, Sir Frederick by only 2 lengths. Devil Rising getting closer in second. Speed to reaches Summer Rain, Mike, some lady. Inside the last 500, Sir Frederick by a length and a half. Devil Rising. Summer Rain is now running in third. Speed to reaches Mike, some lady down on the inside. As they race the last 250, Sir Frederick still hanging to that half-length lead. Devil Rising is on the outside, and Summer Rain sweep to riches. Devil Rising is now the leader, followed by Sir Frederick sweep to riches, and finally Devil Rising. Sir Frederick sweep to riches, close Summer Rain, Mike, some lady.